As the fight against the virus continues, this month Montgomery County will take time to remember those who have been impacted by COVID-19 throughout the past 2 years.
We've made significant strides. That's to the great work of the leadership of this county, of our residents, and our resiliency.
Each week during the month-long remembrance will focus on a different theme. This week, the county highlights efforts by numerous people and organizations that made sure residents had a place to live and were not displaced during the health crisis, including Council Vice President Evan Glass, who led the initial rental assistance appropriation during the pandemic.
They're struggling to pay rent, and some don't qualify for the state or federal assistance. At the start of the pandemic 2 years ago, I was receiving phone calls, texts, and emails from concerned residents in Montgomery County who were not sure how they were going to pay their rent that month. And I immediately got into action and started the COVID Rental Relief Fund.
The COVID-19 Rent Relief Program provides short-term rental assistance to eligible households who have lost income and fallen behind on their rent due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
And it was a very modest $2 million to make sure that those individuals who were at risk of losing their home had the support that they needed. And over those 2 years since, that $2 million has grown to more than $100 million.
As the County Council's point person on homelessness and vulnerable communities, Glass's work is truly driven by compassion.
All of those funds has allowed more than 10,000 households to stay in their homes. The nearly 10,000 households that we've helped during this time actually means there are more than 35,000 Montgomery County residents who we helped stay in their house.
And moving forward,
now that the county executive has released his FY23 budget, I will be taking a look to see how we enhance and provide additional support for our homelessness programs and for our services to end and prevent homelessness as well.
reporting in Rockville, Jordan Lindsay,